Hey there friends, welcome to an unboxing here. We're checking out some running shoes I got from Amazon. These are Chopben men's running shoes, non-slip fashion. They look kind of cool, so I thought I'd try them out. These run about $36 on Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description below if you guys want to check them out. So they had kind of a different looking sole on them, and I was shopping for some shoes anyways, and I grabbed some of these and some Under Armour ones. So this is, well, what do we got here? They're kind of tangled up. See if I can untangle this mess here without breaking my keyboard. All right. What the? So I will be testing these out, and first off, they're super light. Let's see, this top part appears to be some kind of a hardened like plastic rubber. I don't like shoes that have like soft eyelets because I've tightened some shoes up before and had that just rip out. So pretty much this whole top part is just kind of a cloth, soft, like looks like a breathable kind of a mesh there. Let's see, 0 pounds off white. It says like off white on the back of there. I'm not sure what that's about, but it looks like you have a little handle to hold that on there. And interesting, it says love on on the thing there. So if it was all black shoe, that'd be cool. I'd be good with that too, but it didn't offer that option. So I just mainly checked it out because of this bottom part looked kind of interesting to me, and I've never had a shoe like this, so it appears to have quite a bit of give to it. That's going to be interesting to run on that with. It's appears to be non-slick, but you have that you have a gap right here in the middle, so your traction's kind of on the outside, and then also here in the back has some different ones. So it seems to have a nice little contour to it. Let me check out the not a lot of cushion there in the bottom, but you don't necessarily need that. It feels a little thicker under the heel part there. So cool looking shoe, actually. Does look kind of neat. I mean, looks kind of like high-techy, you know. So I'll be testing this out, and when I do, I'm just looking through here. So this is, I can see through here when I'm looking inside the shoe, so it's quite breathable, I would imagine. When I do the review, I'm going to leave a link in the description below this unboxing. You guys can check that out if you want to. So thanks for watching this unboxing, and we'll see you guys later. Everyone have a great day out there, and take care.